Hello, my name is Heather Lin. You may be watching these videos because you have a rental property and you're curious whether a 1031 exchange could help you increase your cash flow. I have completed several 1031 exchanges in recent years. Most recently, I sold a single-family home in Redwood City that was generating $4,500 a month. I exchanged that property into two separate properties with 5 rentable units. That's giving me a combined gross monthly income of $16,000. So just by doing this exchange, I more than triple my rental income. If you're curious as to how I do that, I would love to invite you to my upcoming 1031 exchange workshop. In this workshop, I'm going to go over the process of a regular 1031 exchange and a reverse exchange. And number 2, I'm going to go over the feasible option here in the Bay Area, as well as out of state properties that has great rental potential. Number 3, I'm going to talk about the tax strategies the wealthy use to effectively leverage their real estate holdings. Simply sign up at the link below, and I look forward to seeing you in my upcoming workshop.